Yunus Korea. Today I will teach you how to download the Aptoide app itself, because from the last video I told you a few of the apps which you can download which will help you a lot. So first of all, you like to download Aptoide. It's really simple. First you will go to Google Play Store. If it's a new setup, it's a new shield. So that's what you will do. You will go to here and say ES File Explorer, or you can simply write it. Okay. ES File Explorer. Oh yeah, that's strange. ES File Explorer. Okay, now, so here. So from here you will simply just install it. As I already have it, so what you're gonna do is open. In the security settings, you will go here. It will ask you to download unknown files, so you need to accept that one, or you can go to securities and you can click on unknown sources and verify apps. I'll say always leave verify apps clicked and also unknown clicked if you download a lots of files. So if you have already done that, so what you're gonna do is you will come back to ES File Explorer. So you will go over here. So you will click on favorites. As I already have done that, you will click on Yahoo. It will open up browser. You can simply write okay. Okay, so my keyboard's not working. Okay, so Aptoide. Okay, when you're trying to download that, make sure you download Aptoide TV, because you can download the normal store, but it won't look that good on your TV. So you will click over here. Then you just simply need to install. Yep, it's downloading now. You can open the file. It'll ask you to install. You will click on package installer. It will ask you to install, but I've already done that, so that's it. After that, you should be able to see Aptoide TV. You can customize your apps, and that's it. That's the easiest way. Like for all the APKs, make sure when you're downloading those files not from the App Store itself, you always need to click on unknown installer. So make sure you check that so you can download the files. Okay. That's it for today, guys. Have fun. See you next time. Take care. Bye.